Hey everyone, welcome to another video. My name is Lori and welcome to my life. Today I have the June Mint Mongoose subscription. Stay tuned. Mongoose is a monthly subscription for jewelry. You get this little cute turquoise bag every month, and then you get the pieces inside. So this is how I work mine. I do $12.99 a month. It is the basic package or subscription, and then I get 3 pieces. It could be a bracelet, a ring, and a necklace. It could be earrings, necklace, and a ring, all of it. You just don't know. You're going to get 3 pieces. Also, when you fill out your style profile, you are going to choose the metals that you like. So they have silver, gold, and surprise me. That's what it is. So I had mine on silver for a while, and I decided, I'm getting a ton of silver jewelry every month, so I want to go ahead and mix it up a bit. So I put in there surprise me, and then they pick and send me whatever color. So I'm excited about this because I do wear mine and I like it. So let's open the box. As I open the package, I'll kind of tell you a little bit about this Mint Mongoose. I just went on the website to kind of look at the jewelry subscriptions. So they have this one at $12.99, and I think they have one that's called the Mint Mongoose Black Edition, and that has 4 items in it, and I think it's around 22, but I'm not 100% positive because I didn't see it today on the website. But I will leave the information below in the description box. So after this video, if you want to go in and look at my description box, it will have all the information and referral codes that you need for this, and along with all of my others. So I also do like Stitch Fix and BoxyCharm and Ipsy and just a lot of subscription boxes, and they do have discount codes. So go down below, check it out, see if there is a company that you're wanting to try and get a discount code. Some discount codes also offer me the same discount you're having, like say Stitch Fix. If you're clicking on mine and you get a $25 reward, I also get a $25 credit to my account. There are several of those that credit me back just as you get the credit. So definitely check them out below. So this is what my Mint Mongoose comes in. So this little package right here, you're gonna open it up and you're gonna see the 3 pieces that you have. But let's see what else I got. Okay, so here is the Werther's candy that comes in the box every single month. So when you subscribe, you have the 3 items, like mine. It's a basic one. You have 3 items. But every 3rd month, they throw in something else, just like a surprise me type thing. So we're going to open this up and see what this is, because I don't know. So it must be my 3rd month. Oh, those are cute. Oh, these look tiny. Look at these. I don't know if these would stretch to fit your feet or if they're for kids. That looks like for my grandkids. Super cute though. They'd wear them even if I can't, but I guess they stretch. So we'll check them out. Okay, let's get into my box and see what we have. Okay. So here's the package inside. We're gonna open this up and check out what I have. So you'll see a lot of videos coming up from me in the next couple days. I did a lot of videos last weekend that I'm still editing. I do work full time, so I have to be able to get my editing done in between working. So, and I've also had some health issues that I told you guys about. I told you I'm going to do a health issue video all by itself, and I plan on doing that soon. I suffer from chronic pain and a lot of other things. So I've had medicine changes over the last couple weeks. And so I'm still having side effects from those medications. So just trying to learn to live with that is definitely a chore. So let me get these unwrapped and I'll be right back. Okay, so I took everything out and I'm hoping this helps for you to see the items. So I have gold. So that is the pair of earrings at the top. And then there was 2 necklaces. So the middle one is shorter than this one right here. That's kind of reminds me of like a shape. I don't know, octagon or whatever. And then this one right here at the bottom, let me pull that up a little bit. Okay. That one at the bottom matches the earrings. So my gosh, that's $12.99. And look how beautiful that is. So today, in the last couple of videos, I've been using this black velvet, the black velvet, what you call it? I can't even think of the name of it. The black velvet holder that you put your jewelry on. I found this at Hobby Lobby for like $1.25. And so I bought it. And a lot of my videos, when I first started doing Mint Mongoose, people were saying they couldn't really see it. I was too far back. Then when I got up closer, it was still harder to see. I think this idea for $1.25 works out wonderful, and don't mind my nails. Okay, let's put this on and see what it looks like. I have no jewelry on purpose because I want it to be able to try on the new set that came. Okay, so I'm going to come forward so you can see the earring. So it's pretty light. It's not heavy at all. And I'm not the best at putting 2 necklaces together. I think there's a way that you can hook them together. But for now, we're just going to put it on like that. That is really pretty. Can you see that? Okay, let me get the last one on. And so gold was my pick this time, which I'm happy with because I have a ton of silver stuff. Okay, you may not see this as well. I'll just stand up a little bit so you can see the first necklace, which is here, and then the second necklace, which is here, and the earrings. So this was a great box. It's like one of my favorite jewelry boxes of theirs that I've received since getting them. So totally happy with it. So down below, like I said, there'll be information about getting a Mint Mongoose box. And like I said, you 3 pieces, which is my earrings and the 2 necklaces. I got these little socks as a free gift for being with them for 3 months, every 3 months. But like I said, check it out down below. There's a referral link if you'd like to try it. And I just want to say welcome and thank you. So welcome to all of the new subscribers who have been subscribing lately, and to those of you who are not yet and this type of stuff interests you, just click on that subscribe button, hit the bell, hit the like button. I do travel, I do lifestyle, I do beauty, makeup, and a lot about me. So I didn't tell you in the beginning of the video, but I can tell you now. And some of you may have noticed I don't look directly at the camera because I see just out of little pieces of my eyes. I'm legally blind. And so I try to do weekly vlogs. Weekly vlogs include me doing all different kinds of things. I've had cooking, I've been at work doing one, my outdoor areas getting fixed up this spring that passed already. But like I said, lots to do, lots of little videos to put in there, and I hope you like them. So like I said, welcome and thank you to my subscribers who have been here the whole time. You rock. Thank you so much. As I've told you guys many times before, when I hit 100 subscribers, I have a giveaway. So the giveaway is going to consist of lifestyle items, jewelry, makeup, skincare, beauty, and just a few other little things. So come back, watch my videos, look for that video. I'm at 79 subscribers, so I still need 21 more, and we're just gonna, yes, please get those 21 more. So, okay, thanks again. Have a great day. Bye. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.